My electrician says we can tap into my smoke detector to get power to a ceiling fan I want to install in my living room. There is no fixture or junction box where I want the fan. Is it better to run the wire to a wall switch, or is it okay to run the power off the smoke detector? Seems weird.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is and I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. 1. Your choice on the matter. Either is code compliant. Smokes are not required and are not recommended to reside on a dedicated circuit. Therefore, by splicing into a smoke sealing box, you are okay. 2. Of course, if you want a wall switch to override a fan with pull chains, then the switch box would be required as the circuit feed point and then extend the wires to the ceiling fan box.
Thank you. The electrician can provide a remote as well, so won't need to rely on pull chains. Just wanted to check on the smoke detector tap-in issue. Most appreciated.
Very good. No problem, glad to assist. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. Thank you for the positive service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great evening. Thanks again. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.